Hi guys, using one of these small massage balls from the Active Lifestyle, I'm going to show you how to free up your feet, your glutes and your shoulders in just 60 seconds. Check us out at the Active Lifestyle NZ.
Find your hip bone, go down 1 inch and 1 inch back towards your glute. This is where you want to start with the ball, cross one leg over the other and lean into the ball as much as is comfortable. Repeat on both sides. Find the spot between the bottom of your shoulder blade and your spine. Make sure you find the muscle. You don't want to put the ball on your shoulder blade. Lie on the ball and with your arm by your side, lift it in an arc overhead as far as is comfortable. Bring it back to the start and repeat, and as you do it, your shoulder will loosen up. Repeat on both sides. Now place the ball on the floor and you're going to put your foot on top of it and simply push down into the floor and roll the massage ball around under your foot. It's going to help activate all the muscles in your legs and make you feel better.
And there you go guys, that's how you can improve your mobility and reduce your pain in under 60 seconds using one of these. If you know someone that's going to find this video useful, make sure you share it with them. Remember, follow us at the Active Lifestyle NZ.